Alright guys, quick update on the cleaning cartridge video I released a couple of days ago. That video got pushed out there quickly because I had so many questions wanting to know how to handle the cleaning cartridge, and I was excited to get something useful out there. And now that I've had more time to go through everything, and after reading through some of the comments, there is something important to clear up. That smaller port is not a vent. It is actually a maintenance or lubrication port. So I would not mess with that port for now. I've got what should be the proper maintenance fluid on the way right now. It'll be here soon. And as soon as I can test that out, I will get a new video up showing how to do that part and what I used. I will be putting out that new video as soon as I verify everything. So these two ports are all I should have used on that previous video. This smaller port I should not have used at all until I get that lubrication fluid in. And it appears what I ordered is correct. We're going to find out together on that one, but I'm going to do some testing first. UV cleaning fluid, waste fluid drawn from here, and lubrication port. Do not put the UV cleaning fluid into the lubrication port. But yeah, I just wanted to get this out there real quick and address the situation. So yeah, that's all this was, just a quick video to address that. I will add a card for this in the previous cleaning cartridge video as well. Also this weekend, the light box video is coming out for the Eufy E1 on how I use 3D printers to make light boxes and use the Eufy E1 for graphics. So that'll be out this weekend. I appreciate you guys and your support. I hope this brings some clarity to that issue. I just couldn't leave it hanging. So that's the course for now. I'll make another video whenever I have that lubrication fluid in and I've properly tested it. All right, well, I'm glad I could shed some light on that. I wish YouTube would let you edit videos after you put them up. Just make little edits, at least a little voiceover, or, you know, some little lines of text I could put in after the fact. I know that's not a thing, but I feel like maybe it should be, because man, some edits would be perfect sometimes. So keep an eye out for that lightbox video. It's coming right up, and keep an eye out for that fluid video because it's also going to be coming up very soon. I know this wasn't exactly an exciting video, but I felt like this was a necessary video to get out quickly. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.